Best healthcare tips and best drinks for summer. Learn how to stay healthy during the summer with helpful healthcare tips and discover the best drinks to keep you hydrated and refreshed. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid sugary beverages and energy drinks. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen and wearing protective clothing. Stay cool by staying indoors during the hottest parts of the day and wearing light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. Be careful with food storage and preparation to prevent spoilage and the spread of bacteria. Stay active by exercising for at least 30 minutes each day. Use bug repellent and check yourself for ticks after spending time outdoors. Follow these recommendations to enjoy summer activities while maintaining your health. Water is the best and most healthy drink for staying hydrated and preventing dehydration. Other good choices include coconut water, fruit juices, herbal iced tea, buttermilk, and smoothies. Avoid sugary beverages like soda, energy drinks, sweetened juices. By following these healthcare tips and enjoying the best drinks for summer, you can stay healthy and refreshed all season long.